Hi, my name is Sharif and I'm a product manager at Pelcro. And today I'm here to walk you through Pelcro's newly improved list builder. Now, the list builder is a powerful segmentation tool that you can use to segment your audience or target specific people of your audience based on what is appropriate for each of your marketing segments or your operational segments. So, customer segmentation is a way to help get a better understanding of your target audience and or group customers based on common characteristics. And here's where the Pelcro list builder comes into play. You can go to the Pelcro list builder by going to your side navigation bar and then clicking lists and then click list builder. Once you go there, you arrive at the list builder screen where you can see two separate tabs, one for fulfillments and one for campaigns. In a nutshell, the list builder on its own is a powerful segmentation tool, but it needs to tie in with one of the additional Pelcro modules to help you leverage the best out of what you can do with Pelcro. So for fulfillments, this can be used if you're selling online products or print subscriptions or any other types of merchandise that require you to send packages or package deliveries to your customers on regular basis. And this is where you can use the list builder to build a list of the audience that you're supposed to ship these packages to and then fulfill them using our fulfillment module. The second tab will show you the campaign type lists, which tie in with our newly introduced campaign builder. And this can be used for promotional marketing or segmented marketing based on specific attributes of your customers. We'll discuss more on fulfillments and campaigns, but let's explore how you can create a list with Pelcro's list builder. So what you need to do is you can go here, click new, and then you can choose the type of the list that you're creating. So if you're creating one for campaigns, you can choose campaign. Alternatively, you can choose fulfillment. You can give your list a name. So let's say I want to target all my subscribers. And you can give it a description here. Now, the output of the list builder is a list of subscriptions from your system. So you can either choose to target all of your subscriptions, and in this case, all you need to do is leave this as empty, and this will give you a sense of how many subscriptions you have right now on your site. Alternatively, you can begin to drill down on specific attributes as previously stated. So how can you use, what are some of the segmentation methods that you can do with the list builder? You can do location segments. So for example, you can target specific countries. You can exclude or include specific states or cities. So let's say I want to include all subscribers in the United States and Canada, but exclude Alaska. I would do that. Same for city. The location segments would tie in with your subscription shipping address. So be careful when you're using that. Next up are product segments. So this would target the product or the plan that the specific subscriptions that you're looking for are tied to. So you can either include specific products, you can include or exclude specific plans. So here you target all of the products but exclude this particular plan. You can even filter out or segment by the plan amount. So this would be the price of the product or the plan that the customer that the customer is paying for. So let's say you can specify an exact price, let's say $20, or you can specify a range. Say all products that are priced between $20 and $50. You can even segment by entitlements. So if you have specific entitlements on the plan, you can filter out by those. And you can also filter out by the interval of each plan. So let's say I want to target all of my weekly plans. All I need to do here is I'd say exactly for, I'll say, one. Next up are the subscription segments, and these are one of the more commonly used segmentation attributes. So, given the nature of how the campaign lists and the fulfillment type lists are different, you would find two radio buttons here that would appear only if you're using the campaign type lists. The difference between these two radio buttons is that one is static in nature. So if you use exact dates, you're able to target subscriptions, for example, which were created between specific absolute dates. So let's say I want to target all of my subscriptions which have been created in September. All I need to do is fill in the date as such. Whereas if you have a scheduled campaign or a list that you're gonna, or you need to create a list that you'll use more than one time at any given time of the month, you can use the relative dates. So in this case, you give it a date range. So let's say I want to target at any point in time, I want to use this list to target subscriptions which have been created or have expired, or they have the current phase ending between a specific amount of days. So I would say here I want to target all of my subscriptions which have been created between 15 and 30 days in the past. Or you want to target subscriptions which are going to expire exactly 45 weeks from now. Same will apply to subscription current period end if you want to target the specific phase of the subscription. Other segmentation attributes are the status of the subscription. So you can include active, canceled, past due, trialing, unpaid, incomplete, expired, or deleted as you see fit. You can target or segment by the renewal status of the subscription. So you can target only your auto renew subscriptions, or you can target subscriptions which are on manual renew but do not have any scheduled phases. You can also target by campaign key. You can target by the subscription price, the quantity of the quantity of the subscriptions that was set when the subscription was created, and same for shipments remaining, shipment status, or you can even segment specific special types of subscriptions, such as if you want to target all your gift subscriptions. Finally, you can also segment by specific customer segments. So in this case, you are using this, for example, to comply with privacy regulations, and you don't want to target customers which are not subscribed to your email marketing. So in that case, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're excluding all of the subscribers who have specified that they do not want to subscribe to any email promotional emails. Once you're done with that, all you need to do is you can save the list. Okay, so now you're back on the list. You've created your list, and now you want to see how many subscribers are contained or are returned based on the specific segmentation filters that you just specified. All you need to do is you can go to the list, click view, and then the number which will appear here would be the number of subscriptions which are returned within this list at this particular given moment in time. You can also see all of the criteria here. So in this case, I'm targeting all my subscribers, but you can go back and view one of the lists that I'm creating to target a specific product. So in this case, I'm targeting all subscribers which are subscribed to my accounting product. I can view here and I can see that I have only 12 subscriptions as part of this list. And you can see all of the criteria here. You can always also reuse a specific list. So let's say you're working with a high volume of lists. So what you need to do is to create like another list and just spare you the effort of creating it from the beginning. You can choose reuse list. And then this will take you to the list creation screen, but with all of the filters pre-populated so that you can recreate the list and just make a few minor adjustments or tweaks to the segmentation filters. Finally, the final action you can do here from that is only available for campaign type lists is the preview segments, which sends you a detailed export of the number of subscriptions which are included within the list at this given point in time. Whereas on the fulfillment type list, if you look at the actions, you would be able to see the viewing of the list details, reusing the list, or exporting it, because fulfillment lists are static in nature and you can not use them again. You have to create a new fulfillment list in order to associate it with our fulfillment module. So don't forget to check out our documentation to learn more details about how our subscription list builder works. And feel free to tune in for our YouTube channel for any additional videos or more explainer videos of this type that will help you leverage the best out of Pelcro.